Hey guys, how would you like to get paid fast? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you some apps that will pay you fast for 2021. Let's get it! This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 3 best money-making apps that pays you fast for 2021. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now. Hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. Now, before I get into these 3 apps, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because the last app is one of the best apps that you need to download and start using for 2021. But you need to look at all the apps, because if you want to make the most money as you can, you need to check out all 3 of these apps. So, without further ado, let me hop over here to the first app and show you how you can make money right now. Okay, I'm at the first app, and the name of this is Inbox Dollars. Now, I have talked about this before, but this is still a good app that you can start making some money with right now going into 2021. Now, let me just go over the app right quick. I'm going to be pretty fast since I got 3 apps to show you. So, this is available on Google Play. Now, what it says here, earn cash and get paid for your everyday online activities with Inbox Dollars. It's free and easy to join. So, Inbox Dollars has partnered with some of the most trusted brands in retail, technology, and market research to deliver a robust platform of earning opportunities since 2000. With over 57 million in cash rewards have been paid to members, guys. Wow. So, let's just look at some of these screenshots. So, Inbox Dollars, earn cash for your everyday online activities. Again, over 57 million in cash paid to members since 2000. This is how it looks inside. So you're going to be taking surveys. As you can see, you have surveys for $2.50, $1.50, $3. And you can be able to watch videos. So you can probably make at least $24 off of one video, guy. And overall, this is a great app. And my favorite way to earn cash is on the side. This is one person named Joe D said about this app. Now let's scroll down here, and it just tells you a little bit more. So you're going to get paid for taking surveys, reading emails, completing offers, playing games, and shopping online. Once you reach $30 in your account, you'll be able to cash out. And you'll be able to cash out, guys, through PayPal. Now, look at the rating. The rating for this app is out of 5 stars, 4.0, which is a good app. Anything 4 and up is a very, very good app. And they have some reviews here. I already read one review, so guys, when you come to this app, if you want to read the reviews, you can scroll down here and read the reviews. Now let me go ahead to the second app. But if you want to start on this app right here, just go to Google Play, look for Inbox Dollars. Now let me go to the second one. Okay guys, I'm at the second app. And yes, I have talked about this app a couple of times in the past. And it's called Surveys on the Go. This is a real good app. This is one of the best apps in the Google Play Store, guys. It's been around for a while and it's a very reputable app. So let's just look at some of the screenshots. So make extra cash with premium surveys. You can see surveys up to $5. This is how it look inside. You see some of them would be $7. Take surveys. And you get paid in cash. As you can see, you can cash out through Amazon, Visa, Starbucks, and PayPal, guys. So make cash by taking surveys. We pay you real cash, not points. It's fast and easy. And most surveys are $1 to $5. And with some surveys paying up to $10, guys, that's a lot. So let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. Now look at this rating. Out of 5 stars, 4.5. That's what I'm telling you guys. It's one of the best apps out here. 4.5 rating. And let's just look at one of the reviews. So this review is easy to use. App questions are basic, common knowledge. Just to be honest is the key to success. Example, I earned $3. Earned $3 in 5 minutes. And then they said they cashed out was $10 in order to cash out. And then they said my friend just cashed out $74 in less than 2 weeks. Wow, guys. So just doing little surveys, and within 2 weeks they cashed out $74. So guys, if you want to come here and read the rest of the reviews, you can. Just go to surveys on the go on the Google Play Store, and it's also available on the App Store. Now let me go to the last app, which is a very good app, and I've never talked about this app ever before. So hopefully you guys stay with me all the way to the last app. So let me go over there right now. Okay guys, I'm at the last app, and the name of this app is Eureka. Make money via paid surveys and giveaways. So let's look at some of the screenshots here. So surveys with cash payouts, complete surveys to enter cash sweepstakes. So they got sweepstakes, guys. Earn free money every day with daily polls. So you're going to be taking daily polls too on here. Cash out through PayPal. And Eureka surveys pay more for your opinion. Now let's just scroll down here and see what else they say here. So surveys pay more money at Eureka with over 100,000 ratings. Wow. Say sign up for free and earn $1 for your first survey. And you're going to get paid through PayPal, as we said before. You're going to be voting on daily polls, cash out instantly. So you get paid cash for every survey. Enter into cash giveaway for a chance to win real money for every survey completed. Earn free money every day with our opinion poll. So guys, they got a couple of ways you can make money on here. Real easy, fun stuff. So it's you're not really doing any work. All right, so let's look at the rating. And look at here. The rating is high, guys. Out of 5 stars, 4.5. Wow. I'm telling you, this is a good app. And let's just read one of the surveys. And guys, let's go ahead and read one of the reviews here. Okay, this person right here, Candace, said, so far this app seems straightforward, well laid out, very user-friendly, colorful, and relatively easy to navigate. I just started using it today, but should anything arise that is contrary to what seems to be pretty solid little survey app or issues with the awards being incorrectly paid out or not. So this person haven't had no issues at all. So, and look, Eureka surveys answer this person. And this was on the 29th, so this is recently, guys. Thanks for your review. Love if you could tell your friends about us. So, guys, this is a good, it's a very good app, guys. They even answer your reviews. So, if you want to go ahead and get started making this money with the best apps ever and one of the best apps that's going into 2021, go ahead and go to Eureka, make money via paid surveys and giveaways on the Google Play Store. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you go, please don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these apps. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online, become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys. Hey, I'm going to start doing shout outs, so please leave a creative comment down in the comments below. And if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please click on the link, the first link in the description and in the comments that says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. And all you have to do, guys, once you become eligible, is type Grind Family in the comments. Be the first one to type Grind Family in all my videos, and you'll get a chance to win the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.